Advanced systems ensure every step is precisely monitored for optimal orange juice quality.
Massive automated systems ensure every orange begins its journey efficiently to produce orange juice.
The continuous flow propels them toward advanced sorting and cleaning processes for orange juice. From trailer to processing, automation ensures a flawless, high-volume orange juice operation.
Advanced AI swiftly identifies even the slightest imperfections, ensuring only the finest oranges are used for orange juice.
Precision grading ensures only the finest oranges proceed to orange juice extraction. Only oranges meeting the highest standards proceed to the next critical phase of orange juice.
Right here, this concentration seems unusual.
I agree. Let me refine the focus. Look at the structure beneath.
Inside the heart of the extractor, powerful forces expertly separate the refreshing orange juice from the pulp and peel. The powerful motion liberates the pure essence of the fruit, yielding orange juice.
As each orange is precisely positioned, ready for flawless orange juice extraction.
The flow rate on Centrifuge 4 is slightly low according to the schematic here.
Adjusting the intake valve now. Levels stabilizing.
Through advanced heat exchange, orange juice purity is achieved with technological precision. Automated systems guarantee the precise temperature and flow for optimal orange juice quality. Every drop is safeguarded by the rigorous automated pasteurization process for orange juice.
Adjusting flow rate to compensate for the acidity spike.
Confirmed. Quality index is normalizing.
Confirming optimal conditions ensures the orange juice's integrity and taste.
Advanced control systems ensure precise monitoring and perfect conditions for every drop of orange juice.
These colossal tanks represent the heart of storage capacity, preserving orange juice freshness.
Rigorous quality checks guarantee that only the finest orange juice continues its journey.
The journey from orchard to aseptic storage ensures every drop of orange juice retains peak flavor.
In the aseptic tank farm, Colossal tanks safeguard the quality of our orange juice.
Automated precision ensures every orange juice sample is drawn with ultimate sterility.
Looks like it's holding steady at 4 degrees Celsius.
Got it. Recording the data now.
Precision engineering ensures every carton is perfectly filled with fresh orange juice.
Every drop of pure orange juice is carefully sealed, maintaining peak freshness and quality.
Laser etching adds vital batch and date codes, ensuring traceability and quality control of the orange juice.
From sealing to coating, each orange juice carton is a testament to precision.
Advanced systems ensure every carton of our premium orange juice meets the highest quality standards. Every orange juice carton undergoes rigorous digital inspection, guaranteeing unmatched purity and freshness.
Precision testing ensures every drop of orange juice meets the highest quality standards. This rigorous analysis guarantees the pure taste and nutritional value of every bottle of orange juice.
This fully automated system ensures every orange juice carton is handled with absolute consistency and care. Precision engineering ensures optimal stacking density, maximizing storage and transport efficiency of orange juice.
From individual cartons to perfectly stacked pallets, automation ensures an uninterrupted flow of quality orange juice.
From initial harvest to automated storage, technology ensures every orange reaches its destination for perfect orange juice.
All right, everyone. Cheers to the best breakfast drink.
Yay!